Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of August. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonant with you, maybe not resonant with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it not resonant with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? Ten of Cups. What are the Aquarius person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Aquarius? And we are having here Knight of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Ace of Swords. What are the Aquarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Aquarians' feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Seven of Swords, Queen of Cups, Strength, Devil. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? Nine of Pentacles, the Emperor. These are your cards and signs that could relate it to your person. Leo with this Strength, Capricorn with this Devil, Aries with this Emperor, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Knight of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Ten of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ten of Cups and Queen of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Seven of Sword and Ace of Sword. Aquarius, your person feel like that you are a perfect potential partner and you can give them love, completion, and wish fulfillment. You are this person's wish fulfillment with this Ten of Cups. You are a potential partner and they are dreaming a complete whole family with you. You are a relationship material. They totally get that. Some kind of burden on this person's shoulder. They are carrying a lot of things. Sometimes these things are unnecessary, but they are keeping these things and they are just like sometimes they resist you with these responsibilities and the things they are doing, and this person is under burden, some kind of burden on this person's shoulder. And this Knight of Pentacles, you are slow towards that Aquarius. It's okay, they can sort out, they can light their responsibilities. You know that this person is a lot of responsibilities and they have to do a lot of things, and you're understanding that. Actually, this person also got that you are understanding them. You are just but this understanding slowing down your relationship. This is the slow walker. You are understanding, but the connection between you two is slow down because this person's responsibilities. And they know that if you are right now you're understanding them, but deep down you want new beginning, you want clarity, Aquarius. You want, and what about you? This person's burden, this person's responsibilities is all about them. What about you? So you are just, they totally get that. You totally get that right now you're understanding me, but they know that you want a new beginning with a sword, and not that easy for this person. This person want to have a new beginning with you, but it's not that easy for them. You are understanding right now, you are totally understanding and trying cooperating with this person, but this person have to take a bold decision. And you are a relationship material. You think like that this person is lying with you. This is just a manipulation. They're just manipulating you. They are just keeping you. They are holding you back. Sometime you think like that this person is a liar. This person is hiding facts from you. You're strong. You control your desires and your feelings. It happens when you are not letting your guard off. You are not letting this person to give your love and being uh, vulnerable. You are just like with the Strength card, totally strong in your feelings and emotions. And with this Queen of Cups, you are not talking about your feelings, how you feel. You are not letting this person know about your emotions. You are totally controlling and a bit negativity sometimes in our feelings and emotions, but you are just like holding on your cup of love, and you are not letting your emotions mislead you and misguide you. Some kind of possessive energies around you. You are obsessed over this. You really don't want to open up with this person. You are not opening up. You really reserve your feelings and emotions. and you are some kind of obsession. You want truth. You want to know the truth. You want this person to confront you and confess what is they are hiding from you, what is they are manipulating you. You are just, you really don't want to open up with this person. You really don't want to talk with this person. You really don't want to be with this person the way they want. You are just reserve yourself. This person know that you are free, you are full of abundance, you can choose anyone, you can get anyone, because you are a relationship material, you are a potential perfect partner. So you are free, you are single, you can get anyone. And yes, you are an emperor. You are just totally stable on your ground. You know how to handle things. You do that. You handle things in a really practical way, in a very organized way, in a disciplined way, in a practical way. You are an emperor. It's not hard, it's not easy to control you. This person know that you are in charge and you are in control with this emperor card. You are free and you can choose anyone you want. Okay, let's see what else. Wow, two of wands. Let's see what else we have for you. Let's see what else we have for you. And we are having here Knight of Wands and Page of Sword. Discussing about something. This person is deciding about something with this Two of Wands. They want to take decision with this. They are just like, sometimes they think like that, just whatever happen between us, just let it be. But the other moment they think like that, they should do about this thing, and then they think like that, they will choose another options, they will do. That's the reason you are not getting good vibes from this person. This person is just like deciding and analyzing, and this is a really restless card. There is feelings and friction between you two, and you know that this person is not reliable. Their passion is not reliable, on and off. Their passion is on and off. They are just like that. And you want, this person is totally spying on you, collecting information, whispering. This person want to heard every single detail about you, curiosity in them. They are sneaking into your social media as well, like checking your last scene, your WhatsApp, your Facebook, your Instagram, Tumblr. They are just sneaking into your social media, and they are just listening. They are smelling the information with this Page of Sword. This person is totally keeping an eye on you. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. Aquarius, what else we have for Aquarius? And we are having here Nine of Pentacles again, Six of Swords, and Page of Cups. Yes, this person totally get that. You are free. You can choose anyone. You are full of abundance. You are free. You are not bound to anyone. You can get anyone because you are a potential perfect partner. And yes, you are finding solutions. Now you're done with that, and you are finding solution. You are moving on. You are putting negativity behind and moving on in your life. With this Page of Cups, this person is emotional. Emotions towards you, like a teenager, when totally nervous, puzzled, they don't know how to express these feelings and emotions, how to put these beautiful energies in the right place. But this person got some energies, this person got feelings for you, and sometimes they don't know how to neutralize these feelings and emotions, how to make you understand how they feel about you. This is Page of Cups about, but this person do have feelings for you. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. What do you want to add in this reading? Your desired outcome will occur in very near future. Have patience and faith, and don't try to force it to happen. Whatever you desire, you will get that. Okay, let's see what else we have for you. Enjoy life. Make peace with your memories, no matter what it's good or it's bad. Forgive yourself first. This is about this, meditate. These are few advice messages in the end, and summary of your reading is this person know that you are a perfect potential partner. You are a relationship material, and they also know that you want to have a new beginning, and you are free. You are in a singlehood, and you want a partner. You are ready for a partnership, but this person is under baggages and burden, and you feel like that this person is manipulating you, holding you back, lying to you, and you are strong in your feelings and desires. You are not letting your emotions be wasted, and you are not opening up with this person. You finding solutions and moving on in your life, this person don't know how to express their feelings and make you understand how they feel about you. These are some of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.